How to install HD touchscreen radio to Hyundai Elantra. First of all, we remove the air outlet panel of the original car air conditioner. Let's dismantle the original CD mainframe. Then we intersperse USB and GPS wires from the storage box. Let's connect the True Blue amplifier wires to avoid sound. Plug the plug in again. We will install the air blade and LCD screen of the air outlet panel of the original car on our new product. Effect of attachment installation. Let's insert the prepared wire according to the hole. After it's all done, install it in a fixed position for him. Let's test the function. You can listen to any music you like and switch between volume and songs. You can also use the navigation map to go anywhere. You also use the steering wheel to control the car. You just need to set it up like this. Okay, the setup is more convenient for you. Thank you for watching.